Whether you need to measure candies and nuts or cheese and meat, Avaweigh portion control scales have you covered. These NSF-certified scales can weigh in pounds, kilograms, ounces, or grams. Each scale features a sturdy ABS plastic body with a stainless steel platform. This platform is removable, making it easy to clean. These portion control scales come in a variety of sizes. The digital model has an 8 3/5 inch by 7.5 inch platform. The compact digital model is smaller, at 6 by 6 inches. The round digital model is 6 3/10 inches across. For larger scale needs, rely on the oversized 11 3/4 by 9 inch model. This model has adjustable feet and a leveling bubble for an accurate level surface. There is even a waterproof scale for added flexibility. To make operations simple, these scales are controlled by a few buttons: on, off, unit, and tare. The digital scale also has a hold button. Each measurement is shown on a large LCD display. For power, an AC adapter is provided with each scale, but batteries can also be used. During battery-powered operation, each scale automatically shuts off after 5 minutes of inactivity. On the oversized scale, you can adjust this auto-off function so it turns the unit off after 0 to 9 minutes. For reliability you need at a price point you can afford, rely on Avaweigh portion control scales.